2026 be the year of skills, not certifications, not connections, and not luck. If you want consistent income in the coming years, you must learn skills that work globally. In this video, I'm breaking down the 7 skills that can help you earn between $500 and $5,000 every single month, even if you're just starting from zero. If content like this helps you think differently about income and the future, consider subscribing to Alpela Academy. Let's start with skill number 1, content creation. In 2026, attention is currency. Short form videos, reels, shorts, and TikToks are dominating the world. Businesses pay creators. Platforms pay creators. If you can speak, teach, explain, and inspire or entertain, you can earn online. You don't need perfection. You need clarity and consistency. Skill number 2 is social media. Social media management brands need help managing their pages, posting content, replying messages, and scheduling posts, and checking analytics. This is one of the easiest high-income skills to learn. Just one client can pay between $300 and $2,000 per month, and many managers handle multiple clients. If this is making sense so far, subscribe to Alpela Academy. We release practical income and transformation videos like this every week. Skill number 3 is digital marketing. Every business wants customers. If you can run ads, build simple funnels, and create landing pages, or send emails, you will always be in demand. This skill directly connects to money and growth. Skill number 4 is online coaching. If you have experience in business, in life, in mindset, in health, in relationships, or any practical area, you can teach it online. Coaching is growing globally because people want guidance, not just information. This is a high impact and high income skill. Skill number 5 is affiliate marketing. You promote tools, software, or courses you believe in. When people buy through your link, you earn a commission. No inventory, no customer service, no capital, just strategy and consistency. Skill number 6 is Canva. Canva design. Businesses need thumbnails, flyers, presentations, social media posts, and brand visibility. You don't need to be a professional designer. You can create clean visuals. You can earn globally. Skill number 7, and the most powerful, is systems and automation. This includes email automation, funnels, onboarding systems, and workflows. When you help businesses run smoothly, they pay well. This skill separates beginners from professionals. These 7 skills can completely change your life in 2026. You don't need to learn all of them. Choose one and start today. Stay consistent, and that is the key. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe to Alpela Academy. I'm Alpela, and this is Alpela Academy, where we help rebuild, relaunch, and rise. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.